So we get asked a lot of times this question about batteries. You can see the batteries, I have them here. So today I want to answer this question in a way that you're going to understand batteries. What is it that can ship and what cannot ship? So we have lithium batteries and we have two types. We have lithium ion and we have lithium metal. All right, pay attention to this. So lithium ion, lithium metal. So lithium batteries basically are some of the most difficult things that you can ever try to ship. In fact, they say it's easier for an airline to ship explosives than it is to ship any of the lithium batteries. So you have lithium ion, you have lithium batteries. So lithium ion is like what is inside your cell phone. It's what is inside your laptop. Those are lithium ion batteries. Then there are other types of batteries called lithium metal. They usually look like small buttons, and I'll show you examples so that you understand. Those are called lithium metal. So lithium ion, then you have two classifications of goods that contain these batteries. I'm just gonna do it like that. You have when lithium ion is inside an equipment. For example, your phone has a lithium battery inside. Your laptop has a lithium battery inside. So if it's inside, and I'm going to write here inside, or the manufacturer has packed together the battery and the equipment together in the same package. It may not be inside, but it's in the same package. So together with the equipment, you will see UN3480. So in this case, you're going to see this label here, UN3481. See this? UN3481. It will, I'll hide the name here, but it will even say lithium ion batteries in compliance with section 2 of PI 966. It simply means packing instructions. I don't want you to get into those details unless really you want to become a freight forwarder like me. But this is all that I need you to remember. UN3481. It means it's a lithium ion battery inside an equipment. This could be a phone, it could be a laptop, it could be something that has a lithium ion battery, but it's inside the equipment. Now, if I'm going to circle that, if then you took out the battery, you took out your laptop battery, you took out your phone battery, you have a power bank, you have a camera battery, a stand-alone battery. That time, the battery is not inside, it's a standalone battery. You have something like a jump starter. You will see UN3480, like that, 3480. It means it is a stand-alone battery. You will see UN3480. UN3480 are like your power banks, your phone battery, your laptop batteries. They don't ship. And this is an example. This is pretty heavy, it's likely you can see UN3480. This cannot ship in a passenger aircraft. Most cargo aircraft would say no to any battery. UN3480. Again, I'll hide the name. You'll even see here it says lithium batteries forbidden for transport aboard aircraft and vessel. They're so problematic to ship. Even some ships, they will say no to lithium batteries. Again, Most of them are, of course, shipped by ocean. Most manufacturers, they prefer to go to whichever country and make a manufacturing plant in those countries. So again, you can see lithium batteries prohibited. It's forbidden for transport aboard aircraft. It's I usually tell our customers, it is not our wish not to ship them. The more we can ship, of course, the more money we would make. But so 3480, it's a lithium ion standalone battery. It's not inside the equipment. The commonest is a power bank. Please don't ship them. These packages, they don't ship. We notify the customers if they can return them back to wherever they bought them from. And sometimes it's too late. They end up losing their money. We have so many of them sitting in the warehouse waiting for their owners to tell us what to do with them. So to summarize, lithium ion, they have something in common, that 34.8. If it's 1 at the end, it means it's inside the equipment. It's like a phone. It's like a laptop. If it's a standalone battery, is a UN3480. Again, we said forbidden, batteries forbidden for transport aboard aircraft. You can see even Amazon will write that. They cannot ship. All right, let's go to the second category, lithium metal battery. The same thing applies. If it's inside the equipment or it's packed together, this time you will see, again, I'm going to just write there, inside equipment, you will see UN3090 I will circle that. This is what you see, UN3090 It means it's a lithium metal, not ion, lithium metal battery, but it's inside the equipment. For example, a watch like this has a lithium metal battery. Lithium metal batteries, they're usually tiny. They're the most dangerous. In fact, these are the most problematic if it's a standalone battery. UN3090, again, it means it's inside the equipment. Now see, it's written here, lithium metal battery in compliance with section 2 packing instruction 969. Again, I don't need you to know what is packing instructions, but you can see it's in compliance. It's inside the equipment, and that's all you need to know. So when you go shopping on Amazon or wherever it is, please don't try to ship any battery, because these details and can I say, these are not things that every common person knows. Just avoid the word battery, because chances are it's not going to ship. But you can ship a phone, you can ship a laptop, you can ship things that contain a battery so long as it's inside. Again, 3091, lithium metal battery inside the equipment. It can ship even in a passenger aircraft. Now, if the metal, lithium metal is a standalone, you will see UN3090. Again, now this is the most problematic type of battery to ship, UN3090. And again, of course, you will see here it's written, lithium metal batteries forbidden for transportation aboard passenger aircraft. Even cargo aircrafts are going to say no to lithium metal batteries or lithium ion batteries. The moral of the story is simple. Don't ship any lithium battery, whether it's metal, whether it's lithium ion. Simply don't try to ship any battery, even those AA, AAA batteries. Please avoid shipping them. And I will tell you the reason why you need to avoid shipping them. Because some of them, they're actually lithium batteries, but you don't even know. They are lithium batteries. They look like AA, AAA batteries. You know, those small batteries that you put like in a remote control. Some of them are actually lithium ions. So because you don't know, and even as we are not equipped to screen what type of batteries those are, we simply don't ship batteries. Something like this, I needed to show you the lithium metal because these are the harder ones to explain how they look like. Lithium ion, basically, you know, it's like a power bank. It's like your phone battery. It's like your laptop battery. Lithium metal, I needed to show you guys how they look like. It's just going to surprise you because you see these all the time. These are lithium metal batteries. They cannot ship. These are some of the most dangerous batteries out there. It looks so simple, but even a single one of these cannot ship, especially as cargos. So now to summarize, now we have covered lithium batteries. We said there are two types of lithium batteries. We have lithium ion, lithium metal. Lithium ion, then they are divided into two classifications. Is the battery inside the equipment, like inside, like your phone has a battery inside, that's what you charge. Like your laptop has a battery inside. You will see UN3480 like this. This could be a phone. This is okay to ship. If the battery is outside, like a jump starter, like a power bank, like your phone spare battery, camera batteries, they are UN3480. As you can tell, it's written here very carefully. They are prohibited. They are forbidden aboard an aircraft. So there is no need of trying to buy one. If you know somebody who wants to ship or who might want to ship, kindly forward them this video so that they understand that it's not like we refuse to ship these batteries. No, it's because they are prohibited. Then we said lithium metal, we have again two classifications. Is the battery inside? If the battery is inside, it's UN3090. It says something like a watch. It has these types of battery. A lot of time, these are the type of batteries you find on a watch. So those are UN3091. A watch can ship, but if you took out the battery becomes UN3090. It cannot ship. I hope you found value in this. Share this video to somebody who want to ship something or who may be thinking about shipping something, because they need to do, they need to understand this before they make a mistake. Because when you make a mistake, it becomes such a costly mistake to you, for your items to get to the warehouse only to be told that we can ship batteries. Now you start wondering, what do I do with the battery? You try to return it. Sometimes they tell you, no, we don't take batteries back. Actually, some batteries, they don't accept them back. Thank you guys. Follow for more.